A scholarship can work two ways. The family pays you in full and waits to be reimbursed, or you credit the award on their invoice and they only ever owe the difference. This is the second one. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Billing. Along the tabs, click Financial Aid. Top right, New Award. Type a few letters of the student's name and pick them. The roster is searched on the server, so this stays quick at any size. Type is where the money comes from. ESA/voucher for a state scholarship like Utah fits all. How it applies is the important one. A third party pays leaves the family's invoice at full price. Reduces the family's bill is the upfront credit. The award comes off the invoice before it's ever sent. Programs quote a year. Pearspark bills a period. So the helper does the division. $4,000 a year across 12 monthly bills is $333.33 each time. Click Use It and the amount lands in the field. Notice it rounds down. 12 bills must never add up to more than the program actually pays. Funder is who's paying. Your state's programs are already suggested here. Program student ID is their number in the program, the Odyssey enrollment ID here. It's what matches a deposit back to a child later. The form spells the model out. Third-party awards don't change the invoice. This one does, and the program's payout is reconciled later against no invoice on the program deposits page. Click Add Award. There it is on our card, $333 a bill, badge discount, because that's what it does to the invoice. Now open the student's own record. Students in the sidebar. Then search her name and click it. Under her name, there's a scholarship line. This is where the front office sees it, so it's editable right here. Type the same program number and save. It prints on the tuition worksheet, and it's the strongest signal the deposit matcher has. There it is on her record, the program, and her number in it. Credit the award, bill the difference, reconcile the payout later. Try it free at Pearspark.com.